Since 1985, the Pathfinder has been cruising the roads of America. Originally designed to be the SUV version of the Frontier. 35 years later, the Pathfinder finds more than just a path, it finds a spot in America's driveway. My name is Charles Cody, out here in beautiful Cooca, Florida, here at Erdman Nissan. And today, I'm going to be showing you the 2022 Platinum Pathfinder. We are in our state-of-the-art facility. This is our new vehicle delivery area. Here is the business end of the Pathfinder. You have your V-Motion grille with your skid plates here. And of course, you got your fog lights and your sensors that help see all around the vehicle. You got a new Nissan logo here. And as you can see, Nissan has been really changing their brand. It's a modern design for a new modern Nissan. You have the LED lights here. As you can see, it kind of goes all the way back here. That's a cool, sleek design that Nissan has going on here. Then you have the nice chrome, black and chrome kind of looking 20-inch wheels on the Platinum Pathfinder that Nissan has going for you. You get a nice, safer, smoother ride with those. Come over here, you have the lights on the outside of the foldable mirrors. When you're driving this Pathfinder, the styling and the design is gonna let everyone know. Come to the back as well. The lights do carry all around the car. I'm 6 foot, about 72 inches. And as you can see, the Pathfinder sits around 70, but with a roof rack, the Pathfinder is around 75 inches tall. At Erdman Nissan, we offer tow packages, and the Pathfinder can tow about 6,000 pounds. Under the hood, you're looking at 284 horsepower with a 3.5 liter V6. Thanks to Nissan listening to their customers, and that's important because Nissan does listen to their customer. There is no more CVT transmissions. No more CVT transmission overall will give you a better performance and better drive. When it comes to gas mileage, you're looking at 27 miles per gallon on the highway, which is good because it's considered a full-size SUV. And about the speed to get to 60 takes about 6.7 seconds. In order for you guys to sit inside the vehicle, I'm gonna take it on a test drive. Let's go. All right, let's go. And we're off. Looks like it's about to rain, so perfect time to get inside the vehicle. So over here, we have a 12-inch display, looks very nice and crisp. And then over here, we have a 9-inch display. So here you have your menu, your main home menu area, and on this 9-inch screen display actually is touch screen. Your phone for your Bluetooth here, your audio options, built-in navigation, and also your Bluetooth connection, and of course your settings here as well. Underneath that, you have a few more options, which is kind of similar to up here, but just a little different. For instance, you can also do map here, which has your built-in navigation. Of course, the Pathfinder has the 360 around view camera, which you can change for different options here as well. You have your Sirius XM. You also have your phone options with the phone book, call history. It's a very modern car, and if you have a modern car, you kind of know what's in it, but this car is extremely nice. And let's start her up. Tell me this isn't cool. Tell me this isn't cool. Inside the Pathfinder, you're gonna find second and third row seating, USB ports everywhere, USB-A, USB-C, and wireless charging. You have manual reclining, full forward seats. This is not just your mom's SUV. This is a family's SUV. This is for people who's looking for a little bit of upgrade on their space. This is for anybody. This is America's SUV. Talking about music and sound, this comes with 8 Bose speakers. Bose did a good job when it came to the sound system in this vehicle. So going back on the modern design, Nissan has changed the shifter of the vehicle. It's actually pretty simple once you think about it. If you want to go on drive, of course, make sure your foot's on the brake and you just pull this all the way down. You want to go into reverse, there's a little button on this side, just nice for your thumb can hit. You push the button and push all the way up, and the car is now in reverse. To go in park, just press the P and we're in park. And this is the switch to change the drive mode. Tow mode, sport mode, standard mode, eco mode. And of course, we can't forget the sunroof. The sunroof in the Pathfinder is actually panoramic. As you guys know, we do live in Florida, and Tampa Bay Buccaneers are the champions. It is what it is. Just want to throw that in there. So we're taking the Pathfinder out on a test drive right now. Gonna test and see how nice and smooth this vehicle really is. One of my coolest things is the AC seats. Nice and cool, especially in this Florida heat. But if you are up north, we do have heated seats up here. Which is, as you can see, Nissan made it very nice and simple to turn it on and off in 3 different options. And as you can see, back to the modern design, Nissan put some work into this, their design. The buttons are nice and they're not cheap looking. They actually look pretty nice, and they're pretty detailed to show you what each button says. The buttons have a nice click to it as well, as you can see. See that little number right there? That's a heads-up display right there, so you don't have to look down at this screen here. You can just look right on your windshield and you can see the speed limit. So my favorite thing about Nissans are the ProPilot Assist. ProPilot Assist is this blue button right here. That consists of intelligent cruise control, which is this button here, and then the steering wheel, which is over here to the left. So I'm gonna press the ProPilot Assist button so I can show you how this works. So as you can see, what comes up when you when I press the ProPilot, all the safety features, the lane and blind spot feature shows up, and then your car shows up here. I'm gonna hit set to set my speed. Now as you can see, I have everything's green. I had the 3 green lines and the green steering wheel over there. That lets me know that ProPilot Assist is active and ready to use. So the steering assist, the green steering wheel, that's what keeps me in the lane. As you can see, I can take my hands off the steering wheel and you can see the steering wheel moving. What the vehicle is doing is trying to stay center in the lane. So obviously you can take your hands off the steering wheel. It's not recommended. Nissan wants you to keep your hands on the wheel at all times, but it does keep you in the lane, which actually gives you less fatigue on a long trip. Long trip, bumper to bumper traffic, that's what ProPilot Assist is for. So the blind spot is actually on the outside mirror. So what that does is somebody gets in my blind spot, it's gonna glow orange for me. Let's take a look at the back. Nice and easy, especially when you got a lot of groceries, just heavy suitcases. You don't want to have to put everything down. You just kick right underneath it. Convenient. The Platinum Pathfinder does come with mats, nice mats. And let me show you how the seat goes down. You just pull this little lever here, and nice and easy. And as you can see, the Pathfinder has the cargo area rug. Nice and easy to clean if you do go off-roading, have pets. Nice, just take this right out and it's so easy to clean. And there's hidden cargo everywhere you look. Show how easy it is to lift the seats up. Right into place. There's cup holders back here, there are USBs back here, speakers back here so everybody can hear the sound. I can show you the nice design of the seats, how the leather looks. A lot of space back here. Yeah, I'm 6 foot, I got a lot of space. Oh, got an armrest here. Nice and easy and relaxed. Got cup holders here. Got a little extra storage here. Oh, look at this. More USB ports down here for me. I got a 120V outlet just for me. When it comes to Nissan Pathfinder, they did not skip one thing on the luxury, especially on the Platinum. So a lot of SUVs have the center console. That stays here, but with the Nissan Pathfinder, you can actually remove this center console. All you have to do is take this off here, which pops right off, and there's a lever underneath here that just pulls it right up. It takes it right off for you. Florida is sunny out. Look at that. Safe for the little ones in the back seat. Third row seating, easy. Just a push of a button. Front door opens up extra wide. Rear door opens up extra wide. It's very good for easy access in for yourself or of course for car seats. And we have a capless fuel filler. Say that 3 times. All right guys, we're gonna head back to the store and yeah,